You ever feel like you're supposed to be further in life by now? Like everyone else out here is building empires, but you're still trying to figure out what business you should be starting. Here's the truth. You're not stuck because you're lazy. You're stuck because you're smart enough to know that success alone isn't enough. Because what's the point of building a business if it's gonna burn you out, drain your peace, or make you feel like you're faking it the whole time? So let me say this clearly. Success without fulfillment is survival in disguise. And fulfillment without direction, that's passion with no plan. Feels good until your savings runs out. So the real question is, are you wanting to build something that actually fits you or something that just sounds good on Instagram? I think it's time you found out. You ready? Let's change the game. If we haven't met yet, I'm Leger Lightfoot, and I work with aspiring entrepreneurs who are tired of guessing, jumping from idea to idea, and still feeling stuck. I help them find clarity before they commit. Because I've been there. I've started businesses that looked promising on paper, but felt heavy the second I got them off the ground. I've chased opportunities I was qualified for, but couldn't stand long term. And I learned something the hard way. It's not enough to be capable. You need to be aligned. Because success, that's what people see. Fulfillment, that's what you feel. When they don't match, you feel like you're doing all the right things, but getting the wrong result. So here's the shift I want you to make. Fulfillment isn't the opposite of success. It's the starting point. Because when your business starts with who you are, what you're good at, what energizes you, and what actually solves a real problem, you stop spinning and you start moving. You stop second guessing every idea and comparing yourself to every mentor, course, or content creator online. And you finally start building momentum in your lane. That's why I created the Find Your Fit Toolkit. It's free and it's short. And it'll walk you through exactly how to figure out the business that fits you, so you don't waste the next year building something you secretly want to quit. So click the link and grab it. It's in the description. And let it be the tool that pulls you out of idea limbo and into action. Because you don't need another motivational quote. You need direction that fits. Let me leave you with this. You're not behind. You're actually early. And now you're building on truth. With hard work and determination, success will come. But fulfillment, that's what makes it sustainable. So block the noise and bet on your gift. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.